Hello everybody, welcome back once again to Knox Asian Recipes. Today, sweet and spicy banana chips. And Nok is preparing a little bit of salt water which she'll use to rinse the bananas. So she peels them like this, right? These are a kind of a cooking banana, plantain, or in Central America we call it cuadrado because it's a little square shape. So she just peels them like this, and then she's going to rinse them with the salt water, just a little bit, drain them out, and then she's going to cut them into thin slices. And you'll notice that these are green bananas. It's really more of a vegetable than a fruit. And after she finishes slicing them thin, she's going to let them dry on a paper towel. And now she's ready to fry up her chips. She's going to fry them twice. The first time really is to cook them and remove the moisture, and the second time that she fries them, then they're going to become crispy and brown. She starts with oil very hot and then reduces it so that they don't burn. So they've cooled down a little bit and she's ready to fry them up the second time. This time she's going to make them brown and toasty. So with the chips set aside, she's going to prepare her coating. On high heat, she's going to dissolve some sugar and salt in the water here. And then she'll be adding a little bit of margarine and the chili pepper flakes, dried chili flakes. Of course, you can add as much chili as you want. These chips, she'll probably be giving some to friends, so she won't make them too spicy. And next she'll be adding sesame seeds, roasted sesame seeds, both white sesame and black sesame. Gives a very special flavor and texture to these chips. She's turned off the heat now on her coating and she's adding back the chips, and she's going to work it to make them all coated with the mixture, the chili and the sweet and spicy mixture with the sesame seed, until they're dried out and not sticking together anymore.
Hi, see you again, and today I make a plantain, sweet and spicy. It's so delicious and so crunchy. Yummy.
Try this one at home. They're great, and stored properly, they last for several weeks. See you next time.